You're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen. Go-go dancer Heather Vaughns is suing her former friend Malcolm Combs in the amount of $2,250. Ms. Vaughns claims Mr. Combs stole her persona and used it in his act, which caused her to lose bookings. Mr. Combs claims the clubs in their area like his appearance better, and it's not his fault the plaintiff lost wages.
All right, Ms. Vaughns, you're suing Mr. Combs for $2,250 for lost wages?
That's correct.
Is that right?
It is.
Okay, so what's your relationship?
Well, Your Honor, let me start off by saying, how you doing?
I'm good.
Good. Well, our relationship, we have been best of friends for about 2 to 3 years. And
How did y'all meet?
Well, we're actually both dancers, and
Oh,
we were
okay.
at a casting call for an audition with a famous artist.
Okay.
And as she struggled through her audition,
I did not.
You did struggle.
I did not.
And I stepped in there and I helped her out. I
Right.
choreographed something on the fly for her,
Why
and
are
we
you
both got the job.
lying?
Ain't nobody lying. I also
So-
know lions and tigers and bears around here, boo. Right. Like I was saying, Judge Karen. So a little bit about.
Mr. Combs,
Yes, ma'am.
let me. You're the defendant. Let me talk to the plaintiff a minute.
Sure.
So, is he a good dancer?
He's a good dancer.
Okay, she's a good dancer.
She alright.
She's all right.
She alright.
Okay, so why are we here today?
Because he stole my persona.
He saw your persona. Is this your normal persona here?
Yeah, this is her. This is her in the flesh, boo.
Right.
This is her.
So
He
this
stole my alter ego.
is this your alter ego here?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. All this man with a bun and makeup on. This is her all day.
When I'm dancing, I'm like that.
Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Okay.
And
Let me see that.
for real?
Yeah. I want to see you be like that when you're dancing. Go ahead.
Beat me, boo. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, sashay away. Yeah.
You need to
Back
stop.
to the stand.
You need to stop.
So is that him?
No, girl.
I'm not girl.
I mean, Your Honor.
I'm not girl.
Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. So you saying that what you just did is him?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I don't really know him, but from what I gathered so far, it just didn't seem like him.
He's extra. He's too extra. He
Right.
does too much.
Right.
I object. She's petty, Your
Right.
Honor. She's petty.
Right. Why are we here? Because you don't seem to be able to tell me why. I'm going to have to ask this defendant to tell me why we're here.
Please.
He stole my alter ego.
I did
That's
nothing
why
but
we're
love.
here.
Okay, so why are we here?
Because she caught tonsillitis during her bookings or whatever. She called me to step in for her
Right.
because she couldn't perform herself.
Okay.
So I did that.
Right.
And when I get to the establishment to perform,
Wearing my same clothes.
I bought them clothes, boo.
I don't understand why I'm here.
Okay.
I still don't get it.
I work at 3 nightclubs.
Okay.
3 nights a week.
Tell me
And I
why
get paid
we're here.
I get paid $250 a day.
All day?
At
A
the
night.
nightclub.
You mean
A
if you do
nightclub.
a gig, you get $250
I get $250 a night. Yes.
Okay.
And I was
And
sick.
how long would you dance for that $250?
What, 3 hours maybe?
3 hours.
3 hours
$250.
a night.
That doesn't seem like a lot of money to me.
Coming up,
She can't get her clubs back because Roxanne Montana is still working there.
Right. Well, who's a better dancer?
Myself, of course. girl.
Let me see.
you're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen. Supreme Justice is back with the case of go-go dancer Heather Vaughns, who is suing her former friend Malcolm Combs for lost wages.
What do you make when you dance?
About $750 every time I book a gig.
3 hours.
You do make $750.
But that's not why I'm here. I'm here because she
Nobody
claimed.
knows why we're here.
I'll tell you why we're here.
You've already
She's-
promised to tell me why we're here.
She's
You
suing
still-
me for $2,250.
Right.
Because
Because he was filling in for me.
I was. And
Okay.
then when she got well,
Did she ask you to fill in for her?
She did.
Okay.
She
and
did.
was there an agreement? What was the
There was
agreement?
agreement for him to lead a low profile. And he did not do that.
I mean, Your Honor, does it look like I can lead a low profile? At
No
the
matter
end of the
how
day,
hard he tries, he would never leave.
she's
a low
upset
profile.
because now that she's better, the
Right.
clubs that I filled in for her with,
All right. Oh, they don't want her back.
But there working in her
Okay,
place.
so is that what happened? You let him stand in your place?
I
and
let
you
him
took
stand
your
in my place.
I did. Well, at least that's what she says I did. Now,
Right.
in terms of stealing her alter ego,
Right.
Your Honor.
Well, there's no such lawsuit for theft of an alter ego, so we don't even need to go there. We don't need to go there. So you're saying because you asked him to step into your place, the folks liked him better. Now he got hired. You want
I did him a favor.
I understand,
to
but
do
you
that,
want
to make some money.
$2,250 for what?
Because she can't get her clubs back because Roxanne Montana is still working there.
Right. Well, who's a better dancer?
Myself, of course, dog.
Let me see.
You ain't got to tell me twice. You ain't got to tell me twice.
Can you do what he just did? Excuse me? Can you do what he just did?
I can, but I'm wearing a dress, so I don't want.
I understand. But I did see you dance. If you didn't have some legal agreement with him, I mean, you asked him to step in and somebody just happened to like him. Did you have a contract with somebody?
No.
Judge Karen's verdict when Supreme Justice returns. You're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen.
Where's the friendship gonna go from here?
What she want to do?
What you wanna do? You wanna be friends?
I care about him.
So that means yes, I want us to still be friends?
If I
I
gotta
guess,
pay
yeah.
$2,000.
Well, you're
Yes.
not paying $2,000. She sued the wrong person. So we want to kiss and make up? Or you don't want to mess up your makeup?
You know it.
Good luck to you both. Judgment for the defendant.
Thank you.
All right.
Judge Karen has ruled in favor of the defendant. The plaintiff's case has been denied.
I hope we can work things out.
Well, I hope we can work things out too. It definitely hurt me, but I think we can move past it in because I don't have a lot of people, and you was really a good friend. I hope we can move past it.